Well, it's that time of year again. Got all my necessities, my popsicle sticks, my Sharpie, my seeds, my tray full of dirt, and this is a chopstick. I'm going to use that to put the holes in. And we're going to start from there. Got a whole bunch of seeds here that I'm going to start here on the table, and then I'm going to move them out to the greenhouse. We're in zone 9B, so it really doesn't frost here. So we're going to get started now. All right, so we're out in our greenhouse. You've been in here a couple times with y'all, and today my husband is going to make me pallet tables. So the project is to move all this stuff over to this side. I have these racks, but they served the purpose last year for my plants, but this year it's just entirely too small for what I need. So I need some pallet tables. So he has got to build me tables here, because this is in the middle. So I have places to lay out all my seedlings. So follow along today. This will be the project. All right, so I got it all cleared out. Everything is kind of stacked over here for the time being until I get my tables, and I can just put all my extra pots under the tables. Now this greenhouse, it's been up for 3 years, and I actually really like it. It keeps the heat in at night. It's almost 60 degrees, and it's like 8 o'clock in the morning here. It's one of these greenhouses. It's double walled, so the heat holds in real well. I'll have to do a review on this sometime, but I really like it. The little sliding doors. So now it's all up to my husband to finish it. Trimming up our wild plum trees. They had a lot of fruit on them this past summer, but they got so tall we couldn't reach them. Plus they're under this power line, so we got to kind of maintain them too. So we're going to give them a good trim this year, and hopefully they'll come back really good this summer. And this is how we end up with sticks all over the yard. Dodger, leave that branch alone. Oh my goodness. What kind of dipshit is this? Dodge! Dodger! Okay. Goodness sake. Dodge, those have stickers, dipshit. Dodge. All right, so we have some old fence posts here and that we pulled out, and my husband is going to use these as the legs for my tables in my greenhouse, along with the pallets that he picked up that he's breaking down now.
I'm not giving you crap. Your anger is understandable, but you need to reconsider. Innocent lives are at stake. I meant Batman. What's the good? Everyone's nicely amused. Now, if you'll excuse me, I might prepare for the worst of the world. Love doesn't alter the reality of the world. Diesel
What are
Dave.
you doing?
We built the biggest and baddest diesel truck ever seen on the
Well, my husband did it. He got my tables built. Perfect size for this side of the greenhouse. I can have my plants on the tables now. There's my moringa that I just did a video on. I have some seeds already started. These are a lot of flowers. I want to get them started because I'm getting bees. Whether he likes it or not, I'm getting bees. And I've got some other stuff started here. My rhubarb, my lettuce, all started. Got my 2 little black tubs here of water. Even though right now it's 60 degrees here in my greenhouse, it's about 50 outside. I'm in zone 9B, so I'm able to start things a little bit earlier than most people. So there you go. My free tables that he built me out of our old fence and some pallets. Just get a little creative and you can get things like this for next to nothing. I think it only cost us what the nails cost. So I think that's fabulous.